Good morning. This is AJ with AJ's Tree Care. That's Sean. We're about to do a pretty simple palm tree removal. It only takes a couple minutes to get it down. In this situation, as you can see, it's a decent distance away from the house. There's nothing else under it. Makes our job a little easier today. So, situations vary every single time. And just about in every single one of these palm trees, you're going to have wasps, yellow jackets, bees, possibly lizards, snakes, squirrels, possums. It varies all the time. We do happen to find a lot of squirrel nests. Usually people are pretty happy because it drives them nuts. We aren't necessarily fond of taking them down, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do to get the job done. And if you can see right here, we already got one palm tree down, the stump. It was about 15 feet taller than the one we're taking down now. So what he's doing right there is zipping up his jacket because he's getting more prepared for there being wasps, bees, anything that could sting you. It hurts, but when you're up there, there's no jumping down because you got stung. That just don't work. And he's about to disappear for a minute. So, in case you were wondering, this is very similar to the method of trimming the palm tree with a couple extra steps. So, I don't know how well it's going to show in this video, but what he's doing is tying a rope around the top, because what we're going to do is cut off the top and have it land right there in the driveway. So it's been about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And because this happens to be a better situation, that's about how quick it takes to get started. Right where we wanted it. Beautiful. And the rest is going to be taken down in about 2 to 3 feet sections. So we've done this stuff right next to houses, pools, other objects that cannot be moved, obviously. And you know, every time we do this, or any tree trimming, tree removal, we do exercise caution and care. We don't want anybody to get injured or anything to get damaged, of course. Luckily, Sean here has been doing this for over 10 years, and he has quite a bit of experience. And for those of you who are curious, on this job we are using an Echo CS400. In my experience, it's been a very durable, reliable piece of equipment. And there you go. Thank you, folks. We do have a little bit of cleanup left to do, and that's where I gotta step in. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.